Hello and welcome. Hey, here we are over at Lightning Liquidators. Today we're bringing you, uh, we've got two Brother EM-530 typewriters with a dictionary. This thing includes a dictionary. Check it out. Let's see, there's this price right here is $333.12. I want to let you know our used price is $89.95. You can look, there's 32 new from $323, and I think the price just keeps going up there. We'll go check that out. Yeah, so you can see it starts at 333.12, goes to 352.66. There's one at 349, 347, 352, 323, 374, and on and on and on it goes. But if you come back over here, and if you go to this Use tab, see it says 3 Used, you want to click that link right there. And go there and check us out because we have the flag right there. There's Lightning Liquidators, and our price is $89.95. The only thing closest to us is this $89.99. Our machines are just like brand new. They come with a dust cover. One of them has instruction manual, and if you need another instruction manual, you can easily find them online. This is this. So thanks for coming by. If you want to come visit us, go ahead and find the link next to this video. Come visit us. Once again, once you get over here to Amazon, what you want to do, you'll see this picture right here. You want to come over here and go to the 3 Used button, click that. Come on over down here to this one and hit the Add to Cart button, and bam, go ahead and pay for that puppy because I'm telling you, you're getting a great deal. It's only $89.95. Hey, I really appreciate you stopping in and watching this video. If you don't mind bookmarking and sharing us with your friends, and if you like the typewriter, come check it out. Go hit the Add to Cart button, and don't forget to comment. Thanks for stopping by. Make it a great day.